Let's see, it's sunny out, so it must be nice. They did say maybe some rain today. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's raining and the sun's out. Okay, yeah, that's the sun. Oh, and that's the rain. Okay, no. I mean, it happens all the time, right? I mean, sunny rain. It's sunny rain. We are in the zone of sunny rain. Sunny rain. Don't be lame. The sunny rain. The sunny rain. Alright. Oh. Sure, yeah, that's so nice. That's, let's see, 70 degrees with like 20-degree rain pellets hitting you. Oh, that's not shocking. It's not shocking at all. Oh, hail. Gotta go. Oh, shit. Oh, ow. Ow. Oh, ow. Ow, 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 ow. I got video, honey. Woohoo! It's very nice out. It was sunny in 71 and it rained and getting it hailed, and now it's hailing and raining in 71 and now it's cold again. Oh, we're playing a little tune. And now was a little bitty baby.
Oh my God, look over there in the house.
There's a lot of hail in the house. Let's post that to Facebook.
It's actually healing outside.
We can post that to Facebook. Did you close our bedroom window? I hope. Huh?
God called me.
Did you close our bedroom window?
Alright.
Please, God.
Alright. Just calling and making sure. Alright.